Sounds now with these new resonators. I don't even think they're mufflers. I'm not even sure the brand. They sound really good, so I'm gonna give a comparison and show you guys what they sound like now, because I think it sounds really nice. Yeah, buying those mufflers was kind of a waste of money. They were like $400. I spent like another $400 getting these on. It's like a waste of like almost $1,000. Back road driving. I haven't done a regular POV in a long time. Feels like might as well just give you guys a nice little POV. This new exhaust. I think it sounds really good. I like these types of drives on back roads. I feel like it's just as loud as the Harples when I'm getting on it. It's just not as loud in like idles and low RPMs, but when I get on it, it's just as loud, I feel like, for sure. Light's green. Pay attention. What the? This is why I hate driving, man. The light was green. Why'd you take so long and let this dude do a U-turn in front of you? It's really stupid. Alright guys, we made it out to Mexico. Let's do a little pull. I mean a big pull. I haven't done a pull like this in a while. Alright guys, let's do it. Second gear rip in a long time. My third gear shift was kind of crap, but that was a nice rip, guys. It was a really nice rip. She was getting it. Get the hell out of my way with that V6, boy. See if I can find a spot to set this camera up. All right, boys, I'm gonna set you guys up, do a couple rips. I haven't hit it like that in the car in a while. Man, it's fun coming out to Mexico. I should do that more often for you guys. What you guys think about them pools? It was pretty fun. I think it sounds really good compared to what it used to sound like. I feel like it was a little bit more raspy before with the harples, but they were leaking and stuff, so yeah, now it sounds a little bit better, I feel like. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here before the Mexican police show up and tell me to, you know, chill it out. So I was flying past some residential Mexican streets down here, so I don't want to cause too much attention down this street, so I'm gonna head back now. The car's a little warm right now, so I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna head up to one of my other spots I usually go to, give you guys a couple revs and stuff so you guys can hear what the revs sound like. Let me know what you guys think about the exhaust. Think it sounds better than what it did before? I'll leave a thing up in the corner of this video, one of those little black boxes you guys can click on to check on the way it sounded before. You can compare the sounds. Let me know what you guys think. You think it sounds better before? You think it sounds better now? But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna let the car cool down a little bit and get back on the main road and give you guys a little bit more POV driving, and I'm gonna head up to my one spot where I usually go to and give you guys a couple revs, like increments of RPM, so you guys can really tell like what does it sound like when I rev it and stuff, besides driving it. I feel like driving it is a lot louder than just revving it, so I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like anyway, you know, just revving it. That's a huge horsefly going on my windows. You are not coming in here, dude. Bitch, what the fuck? What the? That was a Terminator. No, it's a Grand Prix. Gay! Little third gear hit. Might as well. Third gear rips. Mexico. Rolls into the power so nice. This car is basically stock too, man. It's basically a stock car. It's got a pulley, a tune, exhaust, and intake. It's got a lightweight drive shaft too, but there's nothing really crazy done to this car at all. It drives so good. I think my dude right here is trying to learn how to drive stick. He's been going circles around the parking lot. Heard him rev the crap out of the car a minute ago. That's funny. A little Toyota Yaris. Guess you gotta learn at some point. I guess that's the type of car you want to learn on right there. A Yaris. mufflers down in the comments. I think they sound really good compared to the last one. So I appreciate everyone watching. If you guys like these types of videos, please hit that comment, like, share, subscribe. You know what to do, boys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, boys. Peace out. Thanks for watching.